Hi, it's finally quiz time again, and the content for today's quiz will be vocabs from lesson 78. The first question, what is late in Chinese? We have A. 迟到 B. 推荐 C. 服务员 D. 支付 You can try to guess first. 迟到 is late. 推荐 is recommend. 服务员 is waiter. 支付 is pay. And late in Chinese is A. 迟到,迟到. The next question. What is traffic jam in Chinese? We have A. 顾客 B. 堵车 C. 怎么了 D. 放松 Is it A, B, C, or D? 顾客 is guest, 堵车 is traffic jam, 怎么了 is what's wrong, 放松 is relax. Traffic jam in Chinese is B, 堵车,堵车. The next one, what is recommend in Chinese? We have A, 放松 B, 怎么了 C, 推荐 D, 迟到 I will give you time to think first. 放松 is relax, 怎么了 is what's wrong, 推荐 is recommend, 迟到 is late. And recommend in Chinese is C, 推荐,推荐. Another question here, what is gas in Chinese? We have A, 支付 B, 服务员 C, 堵车 D, 顾客 I will explain it later. 支付 is pay, 服务员 is waiter, 堵车 is traffic jam, 顾客 is guest. And guest in Chinese is D, 顾客,顾客. Let's move on to the next question. What is what's wrong in Chinese? A. 推荐 B. 顾客 C. 服务员 D. 怎么了 Which one do you think is the right answer? 推荐 is recommend, 顾客 is guest, 服务员 is waiter, 怎么了 is what's wrong. And the right answer for this question is D. 怎么了怎么了 Moving on to the next one. What is pay in Chinese? A. 堵车 B 支付 C 迟到 D 放松 Which one do you think is the correct answer?堵车 is traffic jam, 支付 is pay, 迟到 is late, 放松 is relax. And the correct answer for this question is B, 支付,支付. Moving on to another question here. What is relax in Chinese? A. 放松 B. 怎么了 C. 顾客 D. 支付 Which one do you think is the right one, guys? 放松 is relax, 怎么了 is what's wrong, 顾客 is guest, 支付 is pay. And A is the right answer for this question. 放松,放松. And finally, the last question here. What is waiter in Chinese? A. 迟到 B. 推荐 C. 服务员 D. 堵车 Which one do you think is the correct one, guys? 迟到 is late, 推荐 is recommend, 服务员 is waiter, 堵车 is traffic jam. And C is the correct answer for this question. 服务员,服务员. And that's all, guys, for today's quiz. Good job. I will see you guys again on our next lesson. Bye.